Hello students, good morning all of you. Today we learn rules of changing from comparative to positive degree. Some days ago we have learned the rules of changing from positive to comparative, and we also know about the changes from positive to comparative and comparative to positive. But today we learn rules, and after that we learn when comparative degree has main verb, how we change. Come on. Ram is better than Shyam. First step of the rule is that the last subject, just as here Shyam, comes as the first subject of the positive degree. Shyam. After subject, we apply verb. If the subject of recent positive degree is in singular, then we apply singular subject. If the verb is in plural, then we apply plural verb. But here Shyam is of singular. यहाँ श्याम क्या है, सिंगुलर वर्ब है, इसके साथ हम लोग सिंगुलर वर्ब का ही प्रयोग करते हैं. Shyam is. After that we see that if the comparative degree has not no, then in positive degree there will be application of not. अगर comparative degree में not न हो तो positive degree में not का प्रयोग करते हैं. But if comparative degree has not, then there will be no use of not in positive degree. अगर comparative degree में not होगा तो पॉजिटिव डिग्री में नोट का प्रयोग नहीं करते. यहाँ कंपैरेटिव में नोट का प्रयोग नहीं है, इसीलिए हम नोट का प्रयोग करते. श्याम इज नोट. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वी फाइंड, देयर इज द आफ्टर श्याम देयर इज द देन इज द साइन ऑफ कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. हियर वी अप्लाई द साइन ऑफ पॉजिटिव डिग्री as. Now adjective of comparative degree is changed into adjective of positive degree. पॉजिटिव डिग्री का जो एडजेक्टिव होगा वो चेंज हो जाएगा. कंपैरेटिव डिग्री का एडजेक्टिव जो है वो चेंज हो जाएगा पॉजिटिव डिग्री के एडजेक्टिव के अनुसार. यहाँ बेटर का हम गुड, आफ्टर दैट एज. नाउ once words is left out, Ram. Next, she is not duller than I. So here is subject is I. We take I. I takes the auxiliary verb am. That is why I apply here am. Comparative degree is in affirmative, then we does not make. Comparative degree is in negative, then we make it in affirmative. So that is why we do not apply here not. कंपैरेटिव डिग्री निगेटिव में है, इसीलिए यहाँ पॉजिटिव डिग्री में नोट का प्रयोग नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि अफर्मेटिव बनाना है. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वी सी, देयर इज द एडजेक्टिव डलर. It is in comparative degree, we make it in positive degree. That is why dull. I am as dull as. After that sign is applied, adjective is applied, note is not. She left out, only she. Sita is not more beautiful than Gita. What we find there? Gita. Or it takes the auxiliary verb is. We see that completed degree is in negative, then we make positive degree in affirmative. Note does not apply. यहाँ हम note का प्रयोग नहीं करेंगे. More after that, more is of the completed degree adjective, much is of the positive degree. As much beautiful as what we apply here. Only one word left out, that will be of Sita. Now we take a sentence which is of main verb. The aeroplane flies faster than birds. Its comparative will be जब comparative में main verb हो तब. So here the first of all subject is birds. We take birds. After that there is the application of main verb and comparative is in affirmative sentence. We should have to make it in negative form. That is why here we apply do or does in present and did in past. The birds takes the verb do and after that we apply not. Then here will be fly. After that there is the adjective faster. Its symbol is applied just as and faster is changed into in fast. The birds do not fly as fast as the aeroplane. Next one is the dog runs faster than your dog. Here we take my. Its positive will be my dog runs faster than your dogs. Here is the subject your dogs. We take your dogs. It is in plural form. Your dog. One we take. Your dog. It is in singular form. That is why it takes singular subject. Do change into dash. Not. After that run. Its symbol will be as fast as my dog. Next one is the cat does not run faster than the dog. Here the subject is the dog. We apply here the dog. After that note is removed because the comparative is in the negative. पॉजिटिव विल बी इन अफर्मेटिव. कंपरेटिव का प्रयोग निगेटिव में है इसीलिए पॉजिटिव भी पॉजिटिव हम अफर्मेटिव में करेंगे. नोट हटेगा, डज भी हटेगा. द डॉग आफ्टर दैट ओनली रन कम्स बट डॉग इज इन सिंगुलर फॉर्म. दैट इज वाई एस अप्लाइड है सिंगुलर वर्ब. द डॉग रन्स. आफ्टर दैट इट्स सिंबल इज एज फास्ट as the cat. It is